ensuring some basic sizes and geometries are the key of cutting tools quality control. Contactless measuring is widely used due to the tool's fragile and sharp edges. To avoid the tool breakage and personal injury, milling cutters are mounted on the inspection and measuring machine. After laser detecting and complicated calculating, the basic sizes, geometries and profile of the tool is attained. The qualified tools are marked by a laser marking machine with specifications, models and batch number, for better recognizing and tracking. After grinding, the cutting edges of the milling cutter are quite sharp and have slight defects. Post-processing is usually carried out to improve the performance of the tool. Tools are mounted on the edge processing machine and the cutting edges are processed, while better surface and edges attained. The milling cutters are visually inspected under microscope to avoid any visible defects before the final packaging. Plastic tubes are widely used to protect the milling cutter during the transportation and storage.